In this video, I will show you how to change YouTube channel name. So let's get started. First, open YouTube app on your mobile. Log into YouTube with the account that is linked to your channel. Once done, tap on Profile Image located at bottom right side. Now, tap on Switch Account option. Next, tap on Edit Channel. Tap on pencil icon next to the name. Just type the name for your YouTube channel. Once done, tap on Save. This will update your channel's name and confirmation notification will be displayed. So that is how you can change YouTube channel name. If you find this video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.